Good morning, David here with his weekly week look. Today is Friday, 25th, and as usual, we're looking at the November 2012 wheat chart, and we've got the daily bar chart in front of us, and you can see here quite clearly we've got the 200-day moving average, which is now really well and truly turned down, and we've broken the old support at 140. And we've gone down to a low this week of 136.75. Just come down in a shorter time frame. As you can quietly see here, we've got the clearly the red triangles above indicating a short-term downwards trend. This continued all through November, broken the support here, which you can clearly see at 139. Where do we go next, and where can we find support? If I just switch here to a chart that I've just put in some indicators on, the green lines indicate the tops and the red lines indicate the lows. We've taken out this low here at 140, which was old support here back in October. The next support we've got down here is 132, and then we've got one down at 127. We have got short-term support coming on here, this lower trend line, which was tested in July and October. So if this price of 135 can hold today and next week, Monday, Tuesday, we could see a bounce, short-term bounce back up to 140, but that would be only temporary, and we should then retest the low 132. Obviously you can clearly see we are in a downwards trend now. Obviously we are a bit oversold, and from the break there we did have a little small gap. Just look at the world situation at the moment. Obviously we've got corn here is now testing the lows, soy oil testing the lows, same, soy meal broken out the lows, oats collapsed, rough rice really collapsed all the way through November. Soybeans is now taking out the lows and heading down, and we've got the US wheat has done the same. It's broken the 600 level and down to 572. You've got cocoa, most agricultural products, and the trouble is at the moment also you've got the currencies not working in favour. I know we've got a weak pound, if you can see there, that's collapsed, but we've also got a weak dollar, we've got a weak Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar. Look how low that is. So anything that they are producing, harvest at the moment, looking to export on the world market, could compete against us at the present moment. Just look at a big long-term chart on the wheat market, and you can see now that we've taken out on the US wheat the lows of last November, and you can see how that is affecting this price at the present moment. So unfortunately, any temporary short-term bounce is a selling opportunity in a downwards trending market like we are at the present moment. If the support does not hold, then we're looking down here at 132. That's it, and up an update this time next week. Thank you for watching.